Shear option targets at the world famous Loggerwade headquarters. Simply amazing. Them guys down there. Hello. I've been hanging out with the Russians so long today, I feel like I'm talking Russian half the time.
Those are the eggs that come off the board. So, not every board needs eggs. So if they don't need eggs, they come directly off the roller and then it goes this way downstairs. Downstairs, yeah.
And he might not be at all. It looked like a weight camera for a second.
Oh yeah.
Hey, we can see.
I want to use that exit door. He's about to be like, oh yeah, no problem. Oh. Yeah, he's like, I got
Never
this.
mind, they got it.
Hold on.
Yeah. Where to put the defects, which is always going to be in the corner, if you can. These are all long poplars, so mostly butt logs or trash. But so he's positioning the log where he's going to take his opening face. And anyways, so when he decides,
I'm trying to learn something here.
I got another one in the trailer board. That's a shim. Yeah, they get to the end.
The shim, yeah.
Shim.
They figured.
Coochie can sit on here.
Yeah, they figured they would hold your coochie.
He'll be
Yeah.
good, yeah.
It's a Gucci shim.
Got me a souvenir.
Might give you some. It's a little
Came
furry.
all the way to see Loggerwade.
All
Yeah,
about
it's
weights.
a little furry. I
And
don't
all
know.
I got was this lousy shim.
Yeah. He didn't even sign it.
Oh, you didn't tell him you didn't cut the lumber yet? You didn't know? Well, I wasn't supposed to say nothing.
Oh, I thought he was teaching him so he could cut lumber.
Oh Lord.
We're going to just try to cut it ourselves.
Yeah, we got this, right? Hold my beer.
You're going to learn how to drive a semi this weekend and
Run Sawmill.
run that. Why not?
Jason, where's the trucking doing?
Huh?
Good?
I don't think so.
You know, I lost all of yours. I can't find it.
You can't go anywhere with these guys, I tell you.
He said he lost all the gears. He couldn't find them.
Can you tell?
How in the world?
Watch it.
Low bridge, watch your head.
We used to pay
I realize that right there.
They only did that just because Wade walks around. That is one bad mama jamma.
This is the operating station for the guy you don't like.
He doesn't have the enclosed cab.
Yeah.
He's got kind of the
Oh yeah,
enclosed curtain.
that is my Gucci's operating station. I don't have full cab yet.
This way you can just stand here and watch it coming. You're just like,
Yeah. Oh, this is gonna suck.
This is going to be a long day.
You need a chain fall on it to really screw with the guy.
Raise it up, lower it down.
The real question are the trusses engineered below?
No, oh yeah, that's definitely. Well, this one is reinforced with conduit.
I have no idea what they're talking about. I'm not putting that on camera. I'm just saying.
Engineering.
yeah.
And adding, subtracting
And
numbers.
alerting you?
Counts, numbers was added, subtracting.
However, from a view, it doesn't.
So you put threes in, yeah?
Yeah.
Threes go
Poop
through.
out lumber.
What?
Boards poop out lumber.
But,
It eats trees and poops lumber.
but it's got its output in grease.
Yeah.
It's lube for the board.
Is that environmentally
European. European. No, it's
I'm done.
It's your neighbor.
No, I don't say it is.
You don't talk to grease?
No.
I don't talk to grease.
So yeah, it's pretty impressive. You can put the trees in and you can put out the grease.
Yeah. We saw.
And you would think for the size of those trees, it'd be a bigger container of grease.
Well, it's not very efficient.
It's like making uranium.
Yeah,
It's
that's
really
what I
starting
heard.
a lot more than what they come out with.
I always thought everybody had to have lubrication for their wood.
Yeah, you got to lubricate. Yeah.
Does help, so.
That's the,
Game over.
Game on.
That was match point.
this was your, this is your piece. It was nice and all yours.
Holy shit. Yeah, I know.
Those are
My
my
trailer boards.
that you ordered.
Is that like an American Jewish?
He's what you ordered.
Brandon's wood, now's your chance.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's actually really rough.
I don't know if my truck's gonna be able to pull this trailer now. 'Cause that's
You got
not-
to stand here and get this angle. With Wade walking up to it a little closer.
Kinda reminds me of the shower this morning.
That's not why they call you Big Head, Brandon. I'm just.
All I'm saying is, look how good he handles his wood. I want to see you handle your wood.
It's a little thinner there.
No, it's the same thickness. These camera angles.
Yeah, that's all in there.
Yeah. It's all done in post.
Camera adds 14 pounds, doesn't it?
For 14 inch, I think I told him the right. Yeah.
Well, most of them 12 footers, but one I'd add to a 14 footer.
One's a little longer.
Yeah. Well, one long, so it'd be 1, 2, 3.
Those are probably twice as thick as what's on the trailer. So the truck won't even
You
pull
ain't
it.
gonna mess that up.
So, how does it feel to have wood from logger weight?
Pretty good, I gotta say.
Was it worth the drive?
It was worth the drive. So
How does it feel to get wood from logger weight?
Yeah.
How
quite
does it feel?
satisfying, I
How
should
does it
say,
feel
so.
to take wood from logger weight?
I don't.
So it's all for you, pretty much. Yeah, it's not that.
Basically, you got face, one common, 2 bays, 3 bays. So there's your rule. One common board is right now. All and one common board is 50%. Let me be. Yeah, 50% clear. One common board is 66% clear. One common is 66% clear. So basically, the base of that board has to be at least 66% clear and under 83% clear to make the one common. And you're grading your board on the worst side, because this side,
Yeah, that looked too bad, and then
there you go. And anything unsound is considered a knot. So that is technically a knot. If it's black and looking back, it's technically a knot. There's a knot there. This is a burl. Well, that's unsound wood too. Rot is unsound wood. Anything bigger than a pencil eraser that's black is a knot. Not burl. That's allowed in the cutting. Not burl. See what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So, and that's how you grade your wood. Now, after the grades are made on it. So, in a lot of cases, you play with numbers and stuff, and he can chop. All right, take this for instance. Now, poplar is not a big price change. So there's not a hell of a lot of upgrading, but there is some upgrading. You look at the end of that board, and the common sense will tell you, if I come back this way and cut off 4 feet of that, it changes the looks, the ratio of this board quite a bit. And it's already one common, and that's probably not enough to make it face, so he didn't mess with it. But if the price change from one common to face is different, then you can say, yeah, cut that off, make pallet lumber out of the rest of it, or throw it in the trough, and still be all right. You can make them decisions. So then you got your length, width, and height again. So they got a chop saw for the length, rip saw for the width, and if they got to change the height because of mis-saw lumber, then they'll take it around and put it back up there again. So you got your length.
just by moving.
Oh yeah, you got to put it in there, there's your top. 10 to 11, 12 to 13, 14 to 15, and then your 16. No, 13 to 14, 7s and 8s, 9 to 10, 11 to 12, 13 to 14, 15 to 16. Oh, the good grade.
About the longest that you guys.
Yeah, that's the longest we sell. Okay, so here's your top grade boards. Every board you're looking at here is about $1 a foot, a board foot.
Really?
In this species. $1 a board foot, that's what we're selling. And down here, you next grade down. This is one column, that's the next column takes the top. You'll notice your length overall is short. It's hard to tell by looking here because you can't see the flow or push the parts out all the time. There's your 6, 7, and 8.
I'm just winging it like Wade's telling me how to do it.
11, 12, look at that.
The roof is sprung a leak.
He doesn't normally snore, it's like, he used to.
Meredith put the salt on the side.
Hear him in my room before I even got him.
Canner, we don't do a lot of canner here now. Now, all this stuff, this is where your bands and stuff happen.
Every time I would move to get out of bed.
This is my favorite room in the whole sawmill.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
You're like mumbling, you're like, almost like one leg out.
It's acting up, I hate this thing.
You gotta sharpen these like pretty frequently, don't you?
In poplar, I think they
Yeah,
can
poplar
squeeze a
probably.
full day out, sometimes in red oak. But
You should change them at lunchtime.
here's how it works. There's little ball screws, there's, what's sideways? X sideways,
Yeah.
Y's up and down.
Y's up and down.
So that thing gets hit and that's computer control on it. And when it acts up, it really sucks. But they say it does a really good job at the teeth. I don't know. The old can machine I like, but the old can machine had loads and run around and just, it was simple. But this CNC is in perfect shape. That's where your precision.
This is like one of my favorite rooms in the whole sawmill. Love videos from in here from way.
They have to be sharp. You can't have them.
Hell no, this is all just your metal. So the way you're making teeth on this is by swedging the shape. So you swedge with this rig, and one swedge, you got two swedgers, because you go deep to get your metal up ready to work with it, and you do like a fine tune swedge to make the tooth bright. And I'm not looking at the nose. There's the metal, this is the bottom. So when you pull on this, that's your shaker. And then your swedge. This. And when you put it on your blade, you pull it down, and when you hit that air, this here clamps. It clamps down and it bites the band. This cylinder shows, and there's a cam in there. See how it's shaped? When that rolls up, it grabs a piece of metal and pulls it up. So it squishes the tooth out, and now your tooth's like a mushroom. Like a punch and a hammer. So it's pulled up, it's mushroomed out. This here is your shaper, and it comes in on the sides and squeezes it. And so you got your tooth shaped. And now it's time for the CNC to take it slowly down without overheating it. You know when you're filing off your punch or your chisel and joint. So that's how much the way they got to cycle it through so many. So what are you going to hit?
Oh, holy cow, I didn't know that.
The idea is you're not sending a surge of amperage through the electric lines. Now, everywhere around the chipper is safe to stand. Right in this line. Anything ever goes wrong,
got that one big chunk up there.
I think you did it on purpose.
Smacking so hard it breaks. But it's not a perfect world, you know, and that's where the hog comes in. But it's doing what it can. And this is the 4-knob chipper. The more knives you add, the more power it's like a chainsaw bar. You got a chainsaw, if you want to get a smaller motor to pull a longer bar, you get skip tooth chain. You got less teeth. It's the same way with this.
Got less drag.
Yeah, but you lose cut speed.
Yep.
You take knives out of the chipper, you can put a smaller motor on a good sized chipper, but it's going to chip a little slower.
Okay.
And it's the 4-knob chipper that's got 8 pockets, so we can move if we need to. Or, you know, you can take, but you can't run a 3-knot setup because it'll be all balanced. You probably run a 2-knot.
Gotta be.
Hot in the summer, cold in the winter.